So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So yeah, last week, let's start with last week, right? Price was around this level, right? I talked about Euro, G, Euro GBP dropping to this support level. I mean, those of you, if you are following this channel, you should be able to confirm. I literally predicted this move that Euro GBP will actually give us a drop, which it actually did. And basically, this was also one of those trades we actually took on the Patreon channel. Now, to those of you that don't know it, right, is whereby is the channel that we put out high probability trade, especially for struggling traders. If you're having trouble growing up your account and everything, we can actually help you by doing giving high probability trade. So I'll be putting the link to those trades we took last week. You can see it. You will see the link in the comment section. You see it July 3 to 7. These are this trade we took. And one of those trades we took was Euro GBP. Take a look at it right here. Go there and watch it. Price actually hits our profits perfectly. We actually had a sniper entry on this. We actually entered it at the right time. It was a sniper entry we actually took on this Euro GBP, and it's actually hit our profits. This week also we will be taking a trade, right, on Euro GBP and some Euro PS and also GBP PS. So if you're interested, all you just have to do is go to the comment section, click on the link to the Patreon channel. You see the link to the Patreon channel. Subscribe to our Patreon channel so you get access to those trades we will be putting out there. Now, right now, with what I'm saying, I feel Euro GBP will actually give us a bullish move. I'll be expecting a bullish move from here. Basically, this is kind of what will I call it? The support level, right? And we can take a stop. We can take it to be the resistance level. So we can say once price comes to this resistance, it tends to drop to the support. Now, if you take a look at this, right, we should be expecting a bullish move. But at the same time, have it in mind that price is much more likely to drop again before it starts going bullish, because a lot of traders have actually seen this. Okay, this is a bullish move. They're actually taking a buy. So this price might want to drop to take out a lot of stop loss. It might do that, it might not do that. So it's just a game of probability. So I'll be putting more analysis on this on the Patreon channel. So if you want in-depth analysis and what you should be expecting and when to enter this trade, I'm going to be sharing it on the Patreon channel. So with what I'm saying, Euro GBP to give us a bullish move to the upside, but everything will be covered on the Patreon channel. If there's going to be any changes, because there could be a changes to this movement, if there's going to be any changes, I'm going to give an update to you. That is if you are my Patreon subscriber. So become one so you get updates from me on this.